Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) has arrested an executive director and regional officer of National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited (NHIDCL) Regional Office Guwahati while accepting a bribe of 10 lakh rupees from a private person. The arrested person is identified as Maisnam Riten Kumar Singh. CBI registered a case against the executive director and regional officer and two other representatives of a private company. A press release from CBI informed that CBI laid a trap on October 14th and caused the accused executive director and one private person while accepting bribe from a private person for issuance of favorable extension of time and completion certificate of the work performed by private company pertaining to contract of 4-laning of National Highway 37 between Dimau to end of Moran bypass, besides other contracts in Assam. Later, searches were conducted at office and residential premises of the accused persons, and during the search, cash amounting to 2.62 crore rupees and documents related to 9 landed properties and 20 apartments owned by Maisnam Riten Kumar and his family members across India. CBI also seized documents pertaining to purchase of high-end vehicles and further verification of immovable and movable properties of the accused public servant is in progress. The arrested persons are likely to be produced before Court of Special Judge in Guwahati.